Hey guys, my name is Cam Sesway, and today we're going to review the Henry Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. So as you can see, there's a tiny piece of cables. Alright, now let's see how Henry Desktop Vacuum Cleaner performance. As you can see, the Henry Desktop Vacuum Cleaner gets a truly outstanding pickup of cables pieces performance. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more vacuum cleaner videos, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next video.